Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse and a yoga teacher. You can learn more about how I can assist you in your wellness journey on my website, emilydaugherty.com. Today, I'm going to show you a 5-minute full body workout routine using the FLYBIRD Ab Machine. I received this through Fed Fitness in exchange for an honest review. And I'll be honest, I love this guy. So it is a very simple machine that I really appreciate how simplistic it is and how good I feel after this routine. So I'm going to walk you through 3 moves that you can do on the machine that focus on the core, upper body, and lower body. So full body fitness here. If you are interested in purchasing one of these on your own, they are offering a huge Black Friday sale from November 20th through December 1st of 2025. You can get up to 25% off of this baby. So please definitely check out the links below and you can learn a little bit more about it. So this workout will be structured as 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of rest. We have 3 moves and we're gonna get right into it. So I'd love for you to come up into this traditional crunch here. So we're going to bring the knees into this little space. You can see it's nice and padded here. You can flex or point your toes. Elbows are going to be placed on the upper pads and then hang on to the machine. And we're going to put our timer on 45 seconds. Here we go. We're going to bring it up and then release. Core is engaged. Hold those abdominals nice and tight and go for it. So one of the best parts about this machine is I've noticed no strain on my neck, no strain on my back. When I do my core workout on the floor, traditional crunches and that sort of stuff, I do notice that extra strain. So this is one of the great reasons I love this product. Feel the burn here. You can see I am using it on the lowest setting, but there are several different intensities, so you can make this as hard or as simple as you choose. We're going to finish up for 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Take a moment. We're going to come into a bridge pose. So let's set ourselves up for that while we have a little rest. Press the feet onto the place where you had your knees. We're going to press the hands into the ground. Your bum is close to your feet. And here we go. We're going to lift up into a bridge pose. So lift the hips and then lower down. Mindful, controlled movement. So this does add an element of challenge. My feet are kind of wanting to fly up. So I'm using more control in my lower body. Keep it going. About halfway through this part of the workout. Lifting and lowering. Waking up the glutes, the hamstrings, backside muscles fired up. About 10 seconds left here. You got this. For 3, 2, and 1. Lower it down. Take a moment, maybe draw the knees into the chest, maybe rock a little bit side to side. Let all that go. We're going to set up for our next move. Press the feet again into the padded area here. Press the hands into the earth. We're going to lift up bridge pose. Extend the legs, both legs. Bring it back in and then lower down. Nice. Keep that move going. Lifting up, extension. Bring it in and lower down. Slow and in control. Keep breathing. This is one of the big challenges here, but you got this, right? You got about 10 seconds to go. Finish out, maybe make this your last one, best one. Woo! So good. Lower down, release that. Draw both knees into the chest and maybe rock just a little bit side to side. Moment here. Nice job. Let's plant one foot on the ground, draw the other knee into the chest. Give your ankle a little twirl one way and the other. And then we're going to move into some gentle stretches. Let's take that right ankle over the left upper thigh bone, maybe open up that hip, Maybe draw both knees into the chest and rock simply side to side. We call this figure 4 pose in our yoga practice. Let's loosen up here. And set that foot down, uncross the leg and take it to the other side. We'll draw the left knee into the chest, twirl your ankle a few times one way and the other. And then come into your figure 4 of your choice. Maybe cross the ankle over the upper thigh bone. And then maybe you draw the knee into the chest and find a sweet little rock side to side. This workout routine, just those 3 moves, you can get a great workout there. If you need more, you can intensify by adjusting the ab machine. Or you could do this practice again, maybe once or twice again. So nice job last time. Let's just hug both knees into the chest, a sweet little rock side to side. And then start to roll over, press yourself up. Nice job. All right, my friend, well, I hope you enjoyed that workout. Very simple, but very effective. So I've had my machine for about a week now. I try to do about 10 minutes 3 times a week, and I am really feeling a great engagement in my lower abdominal muscles, as well as my full body. So when you incorporate those other moves, you can get a great workout. If you would like to learn more, check out the links below. And definitely follow my channel. I'm going to offer some more of these workouts in the future. All right, talk to you again very soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.